Hello everyone, welcome to RETECH Steel Structure Factory. This is Angela.
This is Steven. Welcome to RETECH.
RETECH is well known for our poultry raising equipment. We have been in this line for over 30 years, and right now we have been exporting to over 60 countries. Meanwhile, we also provide steel structure chicken house. This is a very important part of poultry raising business. Today, Steven and me are going to show you around our steel structure factory.
Now let's have the hard hats and we can go have a look. Follow us. Hi, this is Steven. Now let me have a brief introduction of this factory. This steel structure factory established in 2000 years with 150 employees, and every year the output is about 23,000 tons of steel structure. Every year for the chicken building, we supply about 80 and 100 buildings for our customers. When you place the order, our professional engineers will do the processing drawings. So for the delivery time, it's about 30 days. In the peak season, it's about 1.5 months, more than 15 days. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
We have 4 processing workshops in total. Now I'm standing at workshop number 1. This is also our raw material workshop. The main work of this workshop is to cut the steel plate into required size according to the drawing. This workshop is mainly divided into areas. One area is for H-shaped plate cutting and preparation, and the other one is for processing connectors. Now we can see there is a laser cutting machine here. Let's take a close look. This steel plate is cut by the laser cutting machine. We can see this cut is very fine and the incision is very smooth. This is the advantage of a laser cutting machine.
Hi, this is the number 2 workshop. From here you can see we have the gantry crane. We use the gantry crane to help do the welding. Because for our number 1 workshop, we do the cut for the steel plate according to our drawings. Then we transfer the cut steel plate here to do the welding into the H-shape steel. So okay, follow us. After we finish the H-shape steel, we will transfer to the workshop 3. From here, we also do the welding because according to the H-shape steel, we also do the connecting the small steel plate to the H-shape steel. From here, we can finish the complete I-beam and the column. So this is the finished product here. And okay, you can see our work is very experienced for the welding work because all of them have more than 10 years. So we can make our quality control and make sure the quality. Okay, thank you.
There are 2 methods to treat the surface of the steel structure. One is painting while the other one is hot dip galvanizing. If the steel structure needed to be painted, it should be firstly shot blasted for rust removal, then painted in benches according to the production plan. On my right hand, there is a shot blasting machine. Let's have a look. We can see that the shot blasting machine is very huge. steel structure comes from this shutter blasting machine will be transferred to the painting workshop. If the customer requires the steel structure to be hot dip galvanized, it will be transferred for professional plants for galvanizing. Here we can see some samples with hot dip galvanizing. The thickness is around 500 grams per square meter.
Hello everyone, now this is our finished product warehouse. From the workshop, after we finished all the products, we will stock here. You can see the finished product is the paint coat, and from this side is the galvanized. So this is the finished product we will stock here for delivery. Okay, thank you. And now we are here is for loading cleaners. Besides me, it's the galvanized steel for the H-type. So you can see this is galvanized, the paint, and also we have the paint coat like this one. This is ready for loading. You can see we use the cranes and we use the forklift for the loading containers. Here is the steel seat. We produce the steel seat using our machines because some customers like the steel seat, like when they do the installation. So now we use the open top container to loading for the beam and the column. Okay, thank you. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for your time to have a whole look at our steel structure factory.
We RETECH accompany customers to achieve continuous success.
This is Steven.
This is Angela.
Thanks for your time. If you have any inquiry, please contact with us freely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.